Yasaka Shrine, Kyoto, a timeless icon of tradition and culture. Nestled in the heart of Kyoto, Yasaka Shrine is one of Japan's most revered and historic Shinto shrines. Known for its vibrant vermilion gates, intricate wooden architecture, and deep spiritual significance, this shrine has stood as a guardian of Kyoto for over 1,300 years. Originally built in the 7th century, Yasaka Shrine is dedicated to Susanoo no Mikoto, the Shinto god of the sea and storms, along with his consort Kusanada hime and their 8 offspring deities. One of Yasaka Shrine's most captivating features is its iconic Imen Tower Gate, a magnificent structure that welcomes visitors into its sacred grounds. Beyond the gate, you'll find a spacious courtyard leading to the Hunden main hall, where worshippers come to pray for protection, prosperity, and good health. The shrine is also home to numerous smaller shrines, stone lanterns, and ancient trees, creating a serene yet mystical atmosphere. Yasaka Shrine is perhaps best known for its role in the famous Gion Matsuri, Kyoto's most celebrated festival, held every July. This month-long festival, dating back to the 9th century, features grand processions of elaborately decorated floats, traditional performances, and religious rituals. The festival originated as a purification ceremony to ward off plagues and continues to draw thousands of visitors every year. Another highlight of Yasaka Shrine is its enchanting lantern-lit evenings. The shrine's courtyard is adorned with hundreds of glowing lanterns bearing the names of local businesses and patrons, creating a breathtaking sight, especially at night. Many visitors also come to witness the seasonal beauty surrounding the shrine, from the cherry blossoms in spring to the vibrant autumn foliage. Located at the eastern end of Shide Street, Yasaka Shrine serves as the spiritual heart of Kyoto's historic Gion district. Just a short walk from the shrine, you'll find the charming streets of Gion, known for their traditional tea houses, wooden machiya townhouses, and the presence of Kyoto's famous Maiko apprentice geisha. Whether you're seeking spiritual solace, cultural immersion, or a glimpse into Kyoto's rich history, Yasaka Shrine offers a timeless experience that captivates all who visit. It's a must-see destination for anyone exploring the ancient capital of Japan.